little bites go a long way, and today's recipe is an appetizer that's big on flavor.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Hosting a game night, maybe a movie night, I've got a great appetizer you can serve to your gang. Jalapeño Poppers. You can make them at home. Yes, you can. Let's do it. This one's really easy. You'll just need some jalapeños, some cream cheese, and some bacon. I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, I don't like spicy food. Not a problem. Take your jalapeno, slice it in the middle, and scoop out the seeds, and that's where the heat is. So then you're good to go. This couldn't be any easier. Buy your favorite cream cheese, herbed cheese that they sell at the store. Super simple. You just want to load up your jalapeno with some cream cheese, and then we're going to wrap it in the bacon. This was a pack of bacon. I just sliced it in half. So just start wrapping, and that is it. We're going to pop these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes till that bacon crisps up and the jalapeno gets soft. In they go. Let's check them out. Look at that. Crispy bacon, soft jalapeno. Serve it up. It's on. They're Jalapeño Poppers, and yes, you can make them at home. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nere. Bon appetito.
Looks amazing. For more info on this and other recipes, be sure to check out our website. That's WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment, then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest all things culinary, go ahead and visit Belkys' Bite blog, also on our website.